Welcome back to the build. Right, so far what have I done? Right, I put the oil cooler gasket on. I have a new oil filter as well, so that's all in. I've put coolant inside it, which is going in. I turned it over the first time and I didn't want it to fire, so I then wanted it to fire, so I put all the coils on. And the reason why this is here is because it would appear that I got the timing mark completely incorrect on the front one, and I think it was trying to fire on I don't know what firing order it was firing on, but it's well out. That's over here, and it's supposed to be over there somewhere. The firing pin there, it's not firing pin, the little electrode, it's supposed to be over here somewhere. I have no idea what it was trying to fire on, but it didn't sound healthy when I tried to do it. It just locked up, so I'm guessing it was trying to fire on quite a few of them or something, so it was completely incorrect. But now I know what's happened. Hopefully I've got it in the right place now, and then at least I can attempt to try and get it to start. So now what I've got to do is take the dizzy out, and then I've got to put it in the correct position, so then it ends up over here, so it's firing on one, because at the moment who knows where it's firing. Once it's all in, then I can put the viscous fan back on, and then hopefully it should start. I'm hoping so. Anyway, I will update with you very shortly. Thanks very much.